how AI can help you get insight from qualitative data. When it comes to numbers, pretty straightforward. You can use Microsoft Excel with Copilot, and you can get Google Spreadsheet with Gemini embedded inside, or other software like Accio and julius.ai. When it comes to qualitative input, it's something very valuable but tricky to play with. Imagine you are conducting the AI readiness audit and you go from one corner of the company to another corner of the company, analyzing a lot of data like processes, documentation, activities, and you talk to people through videos, and also you talk to people through surveys. And then based on that, you want to categorize that into one insight, which you can then consider for AI transition or transformation project. There is something called affinity indexing or affinity categorization. It's a process of looking for the common theme across all the information you gather. So let's say you conducted surveys online, you conducted conversation through videos, and then you send couple surveys to people and they fill them up and send you back information, eventually then landing in Google Spreadsheet on Microsoft Excel. And then you also have your own observations that you want to add into that. But as the executive update, you need to have consolidated insight that is very easy to explain and can give you a direction for further action when it comes to artificial intelligence transformation. So affinity indexing or categorization will help you to find common theme across the old statements. So if people were talking about something or writing about something, you can get that and get the common theme out of it, which will help you then to build clusters. Let's say you have a cluster of high impact and high resource demanding tasks that will help AI to settle down the company. And then you have a set of information about low impact and low resource engaging tasks. But they are spread across different sources of information, as I mentioned before, conducting surveys, conducting video online or face-to-face conversations and other sources. If you show affinity indexing the categories, artificial intelligence, especially reasoning models like 2.5 Pro from Gemini, can help you to categorize that across all these categories. Eventually, you will get a matrix with all condensed, merged together themes that are close to each other, which you can then use for strategy or executive update. That's very critical because you don't want to make people confusing that somebody says this and somebody says that, but still you have a categorization with the quotes underneath as a proof, which is explainability that this particular thing belongs to that particular section. So that's how it works, and that's how you can do that. How you can then do it, like basically you can write a prompt that will go over your Microsoft Excel file and build that categorizations for you, which will eventually give you that feedback in that information. So this is something for executives, analytics, consultants, when you analyze a lot of qualitative data, but you don't want to lose the value of it. But at the same time, you want to introduce that in the very, very specific way, which is very straightforward, easy to grasp for board of directors and C-level suite people.